Pound red zone, yen green zone. I definitely want to be short here, but not in the sideways range here. I want this to test, let the base confirm. Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. It's Monday 12 August 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the yen, the Swiss and the New Zealand, and short on the pound, the euro and the US dollar. Now the dollar index retesting that level I was looking at. I've got some trouble on some of my charts on the dollar index, but alright, this one seems fine. Tested there last week, confirming basically as resistance on the long upper shadow. So that shows for me more continuation down the page on the dollar. My intraday indicator also very bearish now. It was up there and it was fighting the neutral state and then just went red, and now it's pushing really down to the red zone here. I'm comfortable being short on the dollar at this stage. Medium, long term and short term, everything bearish. There's nothing bullish showing me. We're not at support, we're at resistance. So I think this week we should see another leg down the page coming in. Next stop on the dollar index could be obviously the recent one. It would obviously have some problems there, but if it breaks then down from there, we could see a nice retest of this support level here. And that's the level I'll be watching, because that's when you start getting worried about shorts, and then maybe a break there and a retest, and so it keeps going down the page. So let's hope for the best there, but I stay bearish on the dollar. Pushing gold well up the page. We got the divergence trade since last week. At least now get stop loss to entry. Don't lose money on this trade. Set targets at those highs there. See, weaker dollar, gold bullish. So let's see. If it makes a new high there today, if I can get it to take out that high, if it breaks through 24.37, I'll then bring in the stop loss here, maybe at about 24.19. That would lock in about $25 for me on this trade. So, but at least for now, get stop to entry until it makes a new high, then pull stop loss to 24.19. Nothing new that I can see here. Trend is turning bullish. Weak dollar, definitely staying bullish on gold. Bitcoin, after pushing nicely, saw some resistance coming in on Sunday and retesting. The trend is down there. This is a triple trend down. This is down, down again, down again. Now, as I've said last week, remember, the bigger the consolidation, the more suppressed the market is in a sideways range, the bigger will be the following breakout, the move after that. I would really love to see that, but at this stage, I cannot be bullish on the short term. I'm very bullish on long term on all cryptos, but all of them are under pressure. There's a lot of things happening, but elections are coming, and XRP won their case now. I'll say won their case. They got that fine. Instead of a $2 billion that Gary Gensler was claiming, they only got $125 million. So everybody's waiting for the next 60 days from last week. Now, will anyone appeal? I highly doubt if the SEC will appeal. Gary Gensler must be very worried about his job. He's in any case going to get fired if Donald Trump comes in. And I don't think any of the parties in the US now wants to rock the boat any further on cryptos. Even the Democratic Party now changed their views on crypto suddenly out of the blue. They wanted to suppress it for how many years now? And suddenly, no, we're all fine with cryptos. At this stage, I'm holding on to my long-term positions. I don't see any short-term positions coming in that I can take any trades. Bearish trend, I'll wait for that to turn blue again, and then I'll consider longs. But for now, I'm holding on tight to my long-term positions and no new entries. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. On the US yen, you see red zone, yen green zone still. Find a short here, but the big swing, 50% retracement, that structure there. If that will hold and I get a strong counter reversal, I'll then consider some shorts. My robot's got a short here, but it battles with it. You just can't get this thing to fall. So even on a weakening dollar, that means that behind the scenes, yen is also weakening. It's actually weakening more than the dollar. That's why we battle to get the short to work. But other than that, I'll wait for the retest there, a nice counter reversal, and then I'll consider some shorts. On the pound cat, pound very weak. I want to be short pound cat, neutral, not after that. But if I can get a retracement back to the structure here, almost at 61% level, if I can find a nice strong counter reversal there, I'll definitely consider some shorts. Pound yen, similar picture. Dribbling up the page now, slowly but surely retracing back to that level. Pound red zone, yen green zone. I definitely want to be short here, but not in the sideways range here. I want this to test, let the base confirm, and then I'll consider some shorts. Euro US, nice head and shoulders forming. We've got a shoulder, head, shoulder, the potential break. The retest counter reversal, I'll have to reconsider the RS at that stage. But if that happens, and I take the distance from there to there, from the head to the neckline, and I add that to a potential break, that'll take me back up to, well, almost the 1.10 levels. More specifically, 1.0984. That's the minimum target objective of head and shoulders. We must make sure that our RS looks good before we do that. In the US CAD, nice swing down the page, consolidating now, could be a retracement back to the 50-61% level. Nice structure coming in here, support, could become resistance. Dollar red zone, CAD neutral zone, so definitely after the dollar short at this stage. And this is one of the ways I can get short. So I'm going to wait for retracement, let the bears prove themselves with a nice strong counter reversal, and then I'll consider the shorts. And in the Euro New Zealand, Euro red zone, New Zealand green zone. So I definitely want to be short here, but not in this range here. I would like the market to test the level there, structure there between 50 and 61% level. If I can get a strong counter reversal there, well, I will have to accept that the bears have proven themselves, and then I will do some shorts. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.